guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be talking about the most moisturizing products that I own in my stash. So we're gonna just go ahead and hop right into it. I know y'all probably like, I know you ain't gonna get into this video without telling me about your hair. Girl, the tutorial is coming, but it's a braid out, girl. It's a braid out. And I only use like 15 braids. I only use like 15 braids, so I didn't do those small braids. It was only 15 of them, y'all. I cannot wait to drop that tutorial. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel because that tutorial is coming. If y'all was in my community tab on YouTube, or if you follow me on Instagram, you guys would know I asked y'all what you wanted to name the gang, and we finally have one, y'all. We have a gang name. We got a gang name. Oh my God. I think that Kimchi Gang is so lit, so that's what we going with. It's the Kimchi Gang. Well, it's like K-I-M and then C-H-E, but we're gonna say it like she and gang. What? I'm gonna put the winner right here who won the giveaway, because I asked you guys, I basically told you guys whoever came up with the name we ended up using, then you would be the winner, and she is the winner. So I'm gonna send you a package, girl. DM me on Instagram, because I got you. But anyway, let's get into the video now. Might as well start here because y'all knew I was gonna talk about this. The Miche Beauty Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. This stuff is super moisturizing, and if I'm not mistaken, they are handmade. This has aloe vera and avocado oil. My hair loves some aloe vera. Like, it just soaks it up. I love the actual brand. Like, this is the most moisturizing leave-in conditioner I own. Like, this stuff is so good. The next product I want to talk about is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner. Boom. This baby right here. This stuff is so moisturizing. I don't know why I waited so long to try this. And ever since, I've been loving this product. I didn't even know they had a Manuka honey like leave-in stuff. I just thought they had a deep conditioner in this line. I don't know. I did not know they had a whole line. But when I tried this this conditioner, this isn't a leave-in. This is just a conditioner. So I just detangle with this and then rinse it out. And then I go on my deep conditioner. But this stuff is so moisturizing. The slip on this is amazing. I love it. I'm trying not to use it all because I don't want to go pay for none because I have so many other products, but I really do love this stuff. You guys know I kind of talked about some of these products in other videos, so I'm just kind of going to go a little quicker than that because I don't want to hold y'all up or whatever. So the Texture ID Styling Cream, this stuff, you guys know I have a review on it. So good, so moisturizing. It stank though. It really do. When you buy this, go to Amazon, get you some essential oils, then you make sure you have them at the same time. Because as soon as you open that thing, you need to have it ready. This ain't where it's at. But it is a very moisturizing cream. I can't even take that away from it. Next product is the Healthy Thicker Curls Leave-In Conditioner. You guys know I actually just did a review on this when I did my braids before I went to Cancun. I used this stuff, and this stuff is so moisturizing. As I mentioned, this reminds me of the Miche White Peony Leave-In, but it's a little thicker, but it has the same consistency. And this is cheap. Like, you can get their whole entire line for like $20, $30 something. So like, yeah, the whole line. So yeah, this is a very moisturizing leave-in conditioner. I like that. You guys knew I was going to talk about the Curling Custard. If you have not seen my wash and goes on the Curling Custard, I'll put a few that I use. This stuff right here is so moisturizing. Now, I don't just use this on its own. Y'all know I use it with a gel, and it comes out very good. I love it. So, very moisturizing product. This next product I want to talk about is the Jane Carter Nourish and Shine Restorative Butter. You guys, I haven't used this stuff in a minute because it's literally like gone. Like, ain't nothing in there, and I just haven't bought another one yet. But this stuff is so moisturizing. If you are looking for something moisturizing, baby, this is it. Go ahead. I know it's expensive. It's like $22. This $22 is worth it. This is some worth it ass $22, okay? This I like. I really like this product. Moving on, the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion. This stuff, y'all, is so good. I like was using the heck out of this, and I was like, this is another one of those products. I was like, I can't use it all because I don't want to buy another one. So I'm gonna have to chill on it. But like, this is one of those I bust out for like special occasions. Like, I do really like this. I don't even know what the hell a styling lotion for your hair is, I don't even know. But it has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. So it's like light, but like it has some weight to it. I don't know. It's the perfect consistency. I love that stuff. So I finally got another kinky curly knot today. You guys know I've mentioned this on my channel before. I didn't like it when I was transitioning, but I love it now. I think this is for someone who's completely natural. If you're not completely natural, you probably ain't gonna love this stuff. But if you natural, then I think you would like it, like for real. I got a whole nother one, but this is some moisturizing stuff. It's really good. It's really good. So the next product I want to talk about is the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. I love. Y'all already know I love this stuff. I've been trying to rotate my products around, y'all. But this stuff is so bomb. I have so many bottles of this, it ain't even funny. So your girl ain't gonna be running out of this no time soon. I absolutely love this. This my shit. Smells so good. It smells so good. It smells like cupcakes and stuff. And on the Camille Rose train, y'all, this coconut water leave-in. Girl, we right here. We right here, y'all. And I'm just like, please don't go. I gotta switch her up with the curl milk. Now that we talking about this, I gotta switch them out because I can't have her out. I can't have her out either. The last one is the Cansu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. Cansu really been stepping it up for me. Those last products, I didn't know Cansu was this fire, but they really is good. Like, for real. No sulfates, silicones, or parabens, or mineral oils in here. So, listen. If y'all ain't seen my Instagram where I was, I did a sleek back ponytail using only Cansu products, y'all might want to go check that out because it was bomb. It was real bomb. If y'all don't know my Instagram name, it's Kimberly Cherrell, like everything else, boo-boo. So, for some reason, I cannot find the footage of me talking about the rest of the products, so we had to improvise, okay? So, I also wanted to mention the Miche Beauty Twisting Butter. It is so freaking moisturizing, y'all. I've done a braid out with this. I've done multiple braid outs with this, and it comes out so good. If you guys haven't tried Miche, come on now. I'm not even going to talk about it anymore. It's bomb. Get you some. And if you don't know, now you know, the As I Am Double Buttercream is so freaking moisturizing. This just melts into your hair. Absolutely love it. Love it. Okay? And I can't forget about my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I know I haven't been using it, but when I started my journey, y'all, this was bae, and it is still super freaking moisturizing. It has your curls feeling so juicy. I'm about to revisit this because I've been missing her. She does real good. Real good. So definitely get your hands on the Curl Enhancing Smoothie if you can. Now, this last product I want to talk about is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. Y'all know this was my holy grail for any type of like twist out, braid out, anything. And I absolutely love it. I haven't been using it, but the hold on this stuff is so good. But it's so moisturizing. Like, this is a one product, twist out, one product, braid out type of product. Like, if you haven't tried this product, get your hands on this stuff. It's so good. So, yeah, guys, that is all the products that I wanted to talk to you guys and mention. I literally looked at my shelf and was like, which one of these products are the most moisturizing? Like, which one I just be like, yes. This my moisture crew. This my moisture crew. So, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.